So, welcome to chapter 5 on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, this is going to be the last chapter where we're going to solve this Rubik's Cube. So, I'm just going, so chapter 5 is still going to do a series of algorithms to solve the sides of the Rubik's Cube. So, let's see here. So, as you can see, this is called the headlight. So what you're going to do is put these headlights on the front or back away from you and do this algorithm. So R prime F R back R F prime R prime back again 1 2 and R2. So so as you can see, this is the H perm. Oh, the Z perm. So what you're going to do is place this here. As you can see, the pieces are, are placed or changed from here to here. So what you're going to do is do this algorithm. So M2 U M2 U2 M2 U M2. So let's do that again. M2 U M2 U2 M2 U M2. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. M2 U M2 U2 M2 U M2. Okay, that's not the right pattern. Let's do that again. So I'm sorry, that was not the pattern. So the pattern was M U M2 U M2 U M U2 M2 U2. Wait, let's do that again. M2. So wait, the pattern is, oh, this is the HR. This is M2 U2 U2 M2 U M2. So as you can see, it's now solved. So let's try the other pattern. This is a new case. So as you can see here, the color goes from here to there. So what you're going to do is, here's going to be the pattern for this F2 U L prime and that. So the other pattern is, so the other pattern for the U prime is over here. So as you can see, is the color goes from here to there. So it's this pattern to U to and So as you can see, it's not solved. So let's try the other patterns. So as you can see here, it's Z perm. So the pattern for this is M2 U M U2 M2 U2 M U2. So that's going to be the chapter 5 and the final chapter on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I hope you solve your Rubik's Cube, guys. So that will be all. Thank you.